This module is going to have us doing our downstroke letters with a pencil. Now, our downstroke letters include the I, as you'll see here, a little upwards movement, a downwards inclined or slanted stroke with an upwards movement at the end, and you're going to add the dot above. The I, the next letter is going to be the L. It's exactly the same movement as with the I, only taller. An upward movement, a long downstroke parallel to our slanted guidelines with a little upwards movement at the end. This is the J that starts the same way as the I does. It goes down on the slanted downstroke, and then you're going to do a rounded arch at the bottom coming from the left to the right, and don't forget the dot over it. The T has a downstroke, a little upstroke at the end, and the bar is on the X height line. Here you have the first F with a long downstroke. It has the same sort of arch at the bottom that comes from the left as the J does, and then you're going to add another arch heading from the downstroke towards the right with the bar on the X line as well. There's a variant on the F that you can see here that stops at the baseline.